It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Y'all, I'm officially sleepy. I think it's finally caught up on me. And I just need a little nap. What's up? Y'all see the time? What that say? 5:42. Y'all, I just need a little nap. I took some pictures outside by the pool, but I didn't like them. They were ugly. And I really thought this outfit was cute, but camera is not really doing it no justice. Or at least I can't make it look cute on camera by myself. Yeah, I really wanted this outfit to look cute, but I can't take no cute pictures. Let me show y'all what I got. I want to go to the garden, but I would have wore the same outfit, but since I didn't get no cute pictures in it. But I feel like I'm over it now, because it was a fail, so. What is this piece of hair that keeps wanting to stick up? Like, it just don't want to be with the pack, you little rebellious son of a bee, you. What was I saying? I am so tired. Oh, the garden. I want to go to the garden. But now I want to change my outfit, but I don't know what, because my other outfits that I packed are not for Singapore anymore. They are for destination number 2. I mean, they will still look cute, but I just feel like it's not the vibes, you know? Let me think. I might got another extra outfit in there. Let me show y'all the pictures. Some ugly ass goddamn pictures. These motherfuckers, like, it's just, I can't believe. First of all, it wasn't even me. It was windy out there. The clicker wanted to act retarded. And yeah. This is prime example. This is me trying to make sure the clicker is working. Do you see that dumb look on my face? It just was not. It just was not. Like. The light, it was bad. Like, look at this. Cut my feet off. Like, that's trash. And why am I crying? Jesus. Yeah, look at this trash. Let me turn the brightness up so y'all can see. I don't know what happened to that. What is this? Trash. And then let me see. See, this one would have been cute, but I look cockeyed. And I just keep crying. My makeup is getting oily anyways. I look cute on this camera, but for some reason the pictures ain't. This is an okay pic. This one is the most decent one I have, I think. Y'all see that? I don't think that's profile worthy. Okay. Oh, fuck, yawning. I get it. You tired. Damn. This one, my ankle look broke. Like, what are you doing? This one okay. Feet cut off again. It's just like it just wasn't working out.
Jesus Christ.
Look at that. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me right now. I said close them. Just close them and get some rest, baby. So yeah, y'all, I don't know. Cause the other outfits that I had other plans for them, and this outfit. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I should just go and like get it over with, see what I can get, see what content I can get. Cause this ain't it. Plus I'm hot. I mean, I'm not hot. I was hot in this outfit. Like, I mean, it was nice, little breezy. A little breeze. What? Alright, bye. I'm gonna take a nap. That's it. It's nap time now. Guess who fell asleep and didn't go to the garden? But I'm about to do a McDonald's mukbang. Why not? I'm hungry. Got some Singapore McDonald's delivered, and we about to see how this tastes. Okay, everything's back. I know I'm eating in the bed. It's disgusting, but the best lighting is over here or in the bathroom, and I chose here. It's in the bathroom, right? Okay. What's this? Oh, it's just ketchup and things. So I ordered some chicken wings, an apple pie, and curly fries. They got curly fries here, y'all. Okay, these are chicken wings. They look pretty good. Yeah. And then my apple pie. And then my curly fries. And this all came up to $18, which is like, I don't know how much that is in US dollars, but I know. It's like, why do you eat McDonald's in Singapore? Because the mall across the street, although it did have a lot of food options, I woke up from my nap and I was starving, and the mall was about to close, so I didn't want to like take any chances. So yeah, your girl got what made sense. I stuck to what I knew. Let me take a picture. Now, if these chicken wings taste anything like how the ones in China taste, baby, I'm in for a treat. So far, fries, 10 out of 10. They taste like a normal curly fry. Hold on. Hold the phone. This ain't ketchup. This is garlic chili sauce, baby. I know you lying. Oh, it smells good. I'm excited. Ooh. It's so bright. Let me show y'all. It's like an orangish. I done fell asleep and missed the fucking show. And I was supposed to be leaving tomorrow. Cause the garden is like a light show, like the trees. Did I get sauce in me? The garden kind of like does this glowing show thing. And the last show showed at 8:45. And I didn't wake up till 8:30.
You stupid.
And the place is like 30 minutes away. So I would have had to wait for a Grab. First of all, let's talk about how convenient Grab is, okay? So Grab, for those who you don't, this is not a paid ad or none of that, okay? It's not a sponsorship. But those of you who don't know, Grab is like the international version of Uber and Uber Eats and Lyft and DoorDash all in one though. You can get a taxi and order you some food on the same app. I think you can do other things too, but I've been specifically using it for that. Specifically for cars and food. So
He fucking that shit up.
but anyway, let's talk about Grab. So first of all, the amount of trust that these people have, because they do cash on delivery. Meaning they spend their money first to get your food. And then when they arrive with your food, you pay them.
Oh, hell no.
That would never work in the USA. You know why? Because niggas be stealing. Oh. Don't be the delivery person. You fuck around there. Go pick up their food. Front the money. Pick up their food and deliver it, and then they snatch it from your ass. And they ain't giving you no money. But listen. So, I didn't know. Because, I was using the app for cars, and that's different. Because cash on delivery is like a taxi, basically. You know, you got to get the ride, and then you give them the money. But for the food, I put my PayPal, I linked my PayPal to the app. And I assumed after I did that, that PayPal was going to be my method of payment. But when he got here in the lobby, he informed me that this order was cash on delivery. So mind you, I'm coming down there with nothing. He was going to give me the food as I went back up. And I was like, no, nigga. No, you hold on to the food. And I'll go get your cash. Here's the other catch. The food was $18. I only had a $50 bill. So not only was he about to let me take the food up with me and trust me to bring the money back, but he also carried change in a little backpack. I'm like, oh, I hope you got change for this. This is the smallest bill I have. And he was like, yeah. He handed me the food, and he proceeded to go in his little knapsack and give me change down to the exact dime. Like, you talking about, if that was in the United States of America, that man would have got robbed twice, okay? For the food and the money. But that just goes to show that there are good people in this world. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I ain't even lying when I say I'm probably gonna steal these packets and take them home if there's some left, because the garlic chili sauce is a hit. It's a hit. I didn't even ask for this. I didn't even ask for this sauce. Fun fact about me. I hate these little fries. Any fries that's like this little and crispy, hate them.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
And it looked like that's what they gave me. The bottom of the barrel. That's okay though. I can't wait to dig into this apple pie. I knew I would have never ate that breakfast buffet at the hotel. I ain't wasting my money on that. Because, baby, this here. This is it. That's why I saved some of the packets. Because I will be taking them home. It's crazy how the first half of my day went as planned. And then my body said, sat down. Now, I know what it was. It was the first day that I got here. That did it for me. That first night, I was supposed to just come and go to bed. Now, it's like now my body has to play catch up. And I need to chew this food. I'm so fucking greedy and hungry right now that I feel like I'm not even like digesting it correctly. I don't even eat McDonald's at home because how bad it is. But this tastes like real chicken. Either they got the replicas down to the T, or that's real chicken. I don't know why it seems like McDonald's be better overseas. I want to taste the fry and the sauce though. Good fry. Finally, a coil. These are my favorite ones of the curly fries. The coils. I don't eat this messy and savage like on a daily. I just was starving, okay? I woke up so hungry. The last thing I ate was that corn dog. Which, by the way, the Korean corn dog, I would say it was a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Definitely. All right, time for dessert. Oh, that bitch crispy. Y'all heard that? That bitch got warts. It's got a little acne. It's a little bumpy. That apple pie got pizza face. All right, I have a feeling that when I bite this, the crumbs are gonna go flying, so I'm gonna bite it inside the bag.
Get somebody else to do it.
The consistency is definitely not the same like at home. It's more like caramely, but the taste is like not really busty. Let me take one more bite. I gotta get that. I don't know about that one. Well, that's the end of that mukbang. I will rate it. While the apple pie was good, they could have easily got a 10 out of 10. The sauce, the fucking chili garlic sauce, kind of makes up for the apple pie lacking. But at the same time, the sauce is not food. So, as a whole, I would say a 9 out of 10. The chicken and the fries and the sauce is a 9. The apple pie is that one missing point. But that's the end of my mukbang video, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all either in the next video or an extension of this video. I am back. So last time y'all seen me, I did a mukbang. That's a fun word. Eating at McDonald's. I'm tired. It's 3:24 a.m. and I know y'all probably like, bitch, we gotta send you in that room. I had got dressed and I had took some photos and I had went to the little club that's in the lobby. And I met these cool Indian girls, right? They were so cute. 2 of them were engineers and one worked for TikTok, she said. She worked in the legal department for TikTok or something like that. So then they asked me what I did and I told them I was an entrepreneur and I got a hair business and all of that, and it was like super shocked. Hold on, let me swap my batteries out. So yeah, I went to the bar, the club, and I had a drink, and drink was pretty whack, but that's cool because I wasn't trying to get fucked up anyway. I booked my flight. I have to leave tomorrow at 2. Oh, I wonder if I can go to the I gotta be there at 2. That means I gotta wake up at. That means I gotta be at the airport at 12. Or is it still international? So you need to be there. I don't know, y'all. I wanna go to this garden, so I'm fucking mad. But anyway, I'm packing my luggage right now because I have another flight to catch tomorrow up to the next destination. Singapore has been fun. I feel like I didn't do everything, but I did enough to know, like, okay, I get it. Like, it's city vibes. I'm more of an island gal. I'm an island boy, and I'm just trying to make it. Island boy. Island boy. I like water, beach. I like animals. I like the city vibes is cool and all, but the tropics is where my heart is. The beach is where my heart is, okay? So, yeah. That's that. I'll be at the next destination for 4 days. This mama speed up my alley, okay? Do things that I love doing, relax, get a massage, eat some good old food, all that. So it's 3 a.m. and they horse playing. Anyways, they fighting or they playing? I don't mind my business. They ain't got shit to do with me. Anyway, ciao. So I'm gonna stuff this luggage in. I'll probably see y'all in the morning.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Uh-huh. Sure, you know, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I know his name.
But I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
Good morning. It is my last day in Singapore, and I'm kind of happy because look, it looked like it's about to rain, y'all. So I'm getting out of here. I can't wait to take this hair down as soon as I land. My flight leaves at 2:30, so I will be leaving in, what time is it? It is currently 9:23. I will be leaving by 11 o'clock. Probably gonna go across the street and get some Starbucks because I tried to make a cup of coffee. It was a disaster. Not bad though. But yes, y'all, last day in Singapore. Still sad that I didn't get to go to the garden.
Shut your stupid ass up.
But it's okay. It's cool because I will make up for that with lots and lots of more activities in my next destination. I will see y'all in the next one. Whoa, bless her. Bye. All right, y'all, I made it into the airport. This airport is so fucking fire. First of all, look. Oh, goddamn. First of all, they got the little Dior stand right there for perfume and stuff only. And then they got a whole Dior store. Not to mention they had Hermes, Gucci, Balenciaga. Now they got this. Oh my God.
Don't love these niggas, bust off these niggas, do it for fun, take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, was it more than, was some off lit. I said farewell, you took it well. I'm in the crowd, just spilled milk. Give me a big flower, give me another valve, give me another hour.
This is super cool. By far the latest airport I've ever been in. I'm mad it's raining though. First of all, I look crazy. It's raining. So I know if it wasn't raining, then the little butterflies would be out and about. But since it is raining, then you know they're not that active. I don't even know if I was supposed to bring this stroller in here, but where was I supposed to leave my luggage? Not out there. I don't think so. But I want to go down. But yes, this was fun. I'm going to find the waterfall now, the giant one. Be back. It's so cute in here. falling from the sky like a toilet bowl flush, babe. This is so beautiful. Like, this is insane. I like my little outfit that I got on today, but I'm gonna try to get some good pics. So I'll be back. I had to come up because I found a better spot that is less crowded. But anyway, this is the fit. I'm just taking some selfies with my selfie stick. And this is where I really want to go to get some good pics. Y'all see that bridge up there? There's the bridge, and currently no one is on it. And I know that's gonna be a good spot. I'm gonna go up there, but hurry up, let me take my pictures while it's colorful. All right, hold on.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch around this bitch now.
See y'all in this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to the next video. Bye, y'all.
I know that I don't make me